Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. And yes, we got another one for you. This one here is just as awesome as the one before it. All right, you all stay tuned. It's coming right up. What's up guys? Welcome back to another video. And we got another watch face by PW. And yes, we got another giveaway. So he's giving away one for Canada, one for the US. All you simply have to do is comment for a chance to win. That's it. That's all. With that, let's kick off this review, right? First off, PW has done it again. I'm loving this look. I like the design. I like the boldness of this watch face. And it has a jazzy look to it, right? Now, the name of the watch face is called PW59. In the always on mode, you're going to get the normal traditional look that PW normally gives you. He gives you the time, gives you all your step status info, which is important to a lot of people in the AOD mode. But when you turn this watch face on, it's bold. It stands out, and this is definitely a nice summertime watch face. Up at the top, you're going to get the day, the month, the date. You come all the way down, you're going to get your step status info. You're also going to get your heart rate, your battery info to the right, also your goal completed. You're going to get your time, and the placement of that time is definitely in a unique place. I like the design of that, and it is in the active. So if you need to go into your music, which is important to me, it's right there. Same thing for the weather. Should be important to a lot of people. And also you can go into your settings. So if you need to set anything, you can go in and tweak your settings to your liking, right? Now, also what you could do, double tap, and you can change the color theme of the watch face. Has a few and all to change to, quite a few. Just double tap, go through them all. I thought PW did an awesome job on this watch face so far as design. I'm going to give PW 2 thumbs up on this one and say, keep them coming. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. Don't forget to hit the like button on the way out. And if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to my channel. There's more videos to come. And again, I will see you all at the next video. Take care and continue to grind hard.